Dear Dr. Sloper, thank you for your letter. I understand you very well. You love your daughter. I love my brother, but I understand him too. He thinks only about himself. I know that. Morris is clever, but he does not want to work. I am poor, but sometimes I have to give him money. Yours sincerely, Mary Montgomery. Dr. Sloper told Catherine about his meeting with Morris Townsend, and he told her about Mrs. Montgomery's letter. After that, Catherine did not speak to her father for a week, but she did not meet Morris. She was very unhappy. She wanted to be a good daughter to her father, but she wanted to marry Morris Townsend. Catherine was a patient young woman. I will wait, she thought. I will change my father's mind. It will not happen quickly, but it will happen.